Vietnam records SGD 4.88 billion trade surplus with Singapore. Vietnam continued to strengthen its trade position with Singapore in 2025, recording a trade surplus of SGD 4.88 billion in the first 11 months of the year. According to data cited by the Vietnam Trade Office in Singapore from the Accounting and Corporate Regulatory Authority, total bilateral trade reached SGD 36 billion, up 25.7% year-on-year. Singapore's exports to Vietnam amounted to SGD 24.5 billion, while imports from Vietnam rose sharply to SGD 11.5 billion, reflecting Vietnam's growing export capacity. A key feature of bilateral trade is the large share of re-exports via Singapore, accounting for more than 73% of Singapore's total exports to Vietnam. When excluding re-exported goods and focusing solely on products of Singaporean and Vietnamese origin, Vietnam maintained a solid trade surplus of SGD 4.88 billion. Machinery and electrical equipment, mechanical appliances, and glass products dominated Vietnam's exports to Singapore, with strong double-digit growth in high-value industrial goods. Meanwhile, seafood, optical instruments, and beverages were among the few consumer-oriented categories recording positive growth. Looking ahead, the Vietnam Trade Office in Singapore recommends that Vietnamese enterprises continue improving product quality, traceability, packaging, and technology adoption. Maintaining high standards across the supply chain will be crucial for sustaining export growth, protecting brand reputation, and strengthening Vietnam's position in the highly competitive Singapore market.